Good day, esteemed panelists. I hope you're all doing well today. Welcome to my presentation titled Electrical Design for Plant Dust Collector. Slide number 1. Background of the study. Industrial plants facing challenges in maintaining clean and safe working environment and dust pollution to the nearby villages. However, inefficient electrical design of dust collection system can lead to suboptimal performance, increased energy consumption, and maintenance issue. This study aims to analyze and optimize the electrical design of a plant dust collector to enhance its efficiency and effectiveness. Objectives of the study: evaluate the existing electrical system of the plant dust collector. Number 2, identify areas of improvement for energy efficiency and performance enhancement. Number 3, design, implement modifications to the electrical system. Assess the impact of the optimized electrical design on dust collection efficiency, energy consumption, and maintenance requirements. Design concept for electrical system in dust collector aims to create solutions that is efficient, reliable, and cost effective. The efficiency, reliability, and safety. Evaluation. Functional testing. This involves verifying the electrical components and subsystem functions. As indeed, tests may include checking motor operation, sensor responsiveness, control logic. Performance testing evaluates the electrical system efficiency and effectiveness. Safety testing. Safety testing is crucial to ensure compliance with the relevant electrical safety. Conclusions. The electrical design of dust collector plays a critical role in ensuring its efficiency, reliability, and safety. Through careful consideration of various factors such as power requirements, motor selection, control safety, wirings and groundings, dust collector and enhanced overall operational effectiveness. Recommendations: optimization of motors, enhanced safety, and regular maintenance. Thank you for all your attention throughout this presentation. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.